Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Ocean Dock. This painting that I did today is inspired by a photo that was submitted by one of my Patreon members by the name of Shelly Ferguson. I have a benefit for my Patreon members whereby every now and again I put out a call for photos. They'll submit them to me. I select some of them, turn them into YouTube tutorials, and as a thank you, I'll send the original painting off to whoever submitted it. So if you're interested in watching the full-length version of this video, or learning how you could submit your photos to me, or more about the Patreon membership program where there's a lot of other benefits that you get to use that will help to increase your painting and artistic skills, I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that is going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you learned a couple of tricks about tropical water and clouds and thatched roofs. And I look forward to painting and sipping with you again sometime.